This ship has no engine and was built using not even a single nail. This is India's Navy's most important and unique ship, that is INSV Kaundi. But from where this Kaundi name is coming from? The Kaundi, a legendary Indian mariner who traveled across the ocean. He also went to Mekong Delta and there he met Queen Soma, and together they established the kingdom of Funan, which is currently known as Cambodia. And this was also the first Hindu kingdom which is established in the Southeast Asia. So this ship is a first stitched ship which is used by using the ancient method of Tankai. And this is the agreement between the Indian Navy, the Ministry of Culture and the Goa-based shipbuilding company. And let me tell you about this Tankai method. So this is a 2000-year-old tradition Indian shipbuilding technique which is known for its manual craftsmanship, indigenous materials and non-industrial techniques. The key features include a stitched plank technique which include teak, saul or a mango wood plank. And this is completely based on the stitching method. And one more thing, there's no metal that is used, not even a single nail is used in this ship. The design is also inspired from the Ajanta cave paintings and also the ancient text called Yuktikal Patru, which is written by King Bhoja in 9th century, which also accounts of foreign travelers who describe the stitched Indian ship.